They won every battle. They lost the war. They retreated. Aju was the son of Hanggadai, and he saw all this happen, and he recognized the importance of water and boats, and so he knew. And he spent his time studying the Yangtze River and every little river around it and the cities. And the crucial thing he saw was the cities are heavily, heavily fortified on the land side because invasion comes from the land, and they expect this little line of boats to protect them on the water. And so their city walls are weak. The defenses are weak on that side. That's where we have to attack. So how? They sent off to the Ilkhanate, to Persia, where Genghis Khan, his uncle, was now dead, and his cousins were ruling there, or his nephews, we would say, or cousins' nephew. So they sent over engineers to build a special kind of trebuchet, a catapult. And they had to play around with it to adapt it for a boat because they were usually made for stable ground, but they adapted it for the boat and for throwing heavy things and also for some incendiary bombs. They developed it, and they attacked the first city. It fell. They attacked the next, it fell. They had something that was working. They worked their way down the Yangtze River, destroying city after city with this navy. And then the army would move in after the navy had broken down.
So this is a catapult on a ship.
Catapult on a ship, but it's, we call it trebuchet for this type of catapult.
So this is an engineering solution for peoples who are deeply uncomfortable with boats.
Yes.
And they've accepted it.
Yes. Now it's a great weapon. Yeah. It's like it's no longer a woman's cart. It's a bow and arrow. It is a giant bow and arrow.
Yeah, it's fascinating. So that they hit them hard on the walls on the weak side.
Yes.
Where there's the army protection.
Yes. And they conquer their way down to Hangzhou, the capital of the southern Song.